Good morning, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Well, today I'm making some more shelves in my garage. This is another project. I'm gonna do it. So this is the wall. I need to work on it. I need to take out at least 3 to 4 shelf space. First I thought I'll go to B&Q and buy some more shelves, but instead of that I have some spare woods at home, so I'm gonna just use my spare woods. So yeah, let's start doing it then. Hey, all 3 frames are ready. Let's jump to the next step. Right, so this is the frame, guys. I haven't put this in yet. It's just holding with clamps. But the problem is I have only 2 6-foot long sheets, this one and this one. So I'm gonna put one at the front and one at the back side. And I think because I have small sheets like these ones, so I'm gonna just cut pieces. Like this is very long, so I think I'm gonna cut pieces. Like I'm gonna put one here and then I'm gonna put and I think I'm gonna put this here. I have to do something. I'm running out of the wood and I am gonna use whatever I've got at home. That's it. Final. Yeah? Final? Should we lock your answer? Yes. Right, guys, I have put this right hand side wood here, left hand side wood here, and I put the nails here inside because I can't flip the frame around, so I've just put the nails inside. Doesn't matter, it's only a garage. Obviously I'm not gonna get an award for this. It's only a garage shelf, so I'll do anything is suitable for this frame. At the top edge, like here, so I could have another extra shelf to put my things at the top. Let's do it. Hey, good news! I finished putting the top part here on this side. This is the back side, so I'm gonna do the back side first so I can push this frame to the wall because there is not enough space to move around, and I was really struggling to put my drill in to put the screws. But anyways, this is done, the top part, so let's do the bottom part. Right, the bottom part is also done. Okay, since the backside frame is ready, let's push it to the wall. I've done it, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it. Right, the second part is finished. Right, this is the brick wall here. And there's another brick wall here at this side. So my aim was to make a frame which goes inside from here to there. And this is how messy my garage at this moment. I need to clear everything from here. And there is some mess in this corner as well. Right, I am having a problem now. All the wood 2x4 are finished. I'm gonna cut this wood here like 2" or 3" half, and then put half of it here. One part will go here and the other one from here to there. Hey, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it, I've done it. I need to cut it more then. Right, so I need to cut it more. Right, this is my second try. If it doesn't fit now, I'm gonna close my YouTube channel. It did fit. I don't need to close my channel anymore. Oh gosh. Right, I have changed my mind slightly. I want to bring it in the middle one so I can put the screws around it. Let me show you what I have done so far. You have seen this was one board, and here I have cut the pieces. Because I didn't have one complete sheet, I have cut the small pieces and I have just put them here. I had 2 small sheets, so I put them here. Okay, this is ready. So these are my things. I'm gonna start putting some of them. Yeah, so let's do it. There you go, guys. I've done it. I'm so happy. It's all done. This is my garage. This is the shelves. Okay. And this is the corner. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching my making shelves. If you did, don't forget to click on thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for my next project, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.